Welcome everybody for another great episode of Crypto Charisma. And yes, I'm back. I've been on holidays in the last few weeks, and yeah, I got a little bit fat, but you know what, I'm gonna burn it, down the track when I start going back to the gym as well. So as you can see here, guys, we got $314 billion currently in the market, with 7.28% increase in Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. So let's go in BTC sats. And as we can see here, that status gained 27.21% in the last 24 hours, and the least belongs to Particle with 9.94% decrease. It's very interesting what's going on in the market. As you can see, the dominance here is seemingly increasing with Bitcoin, and people basically selling their altcoins back to Bitcoin. And I think we're expecting another bull run, but I don't think it's gonna happen soon. So as we can see here on a one-day chart, and we're still on a bearish trend, and in my Fibonacci retracement, we could even go straight to 0.5%, 50% retracement down the track. I reckon we will see Bitcoin under 7,000, and I did set an order in 7.5, but I kind of feared that it could even go below that, but it actually bounced. So if I would have put the 7,500 order, I would have made $700. But you know what, it's almost like a gamble around this time. It's really hard to dictate what's gonna go in the market, so you just gotta be careful. And now it's seemingly we're going sideways around this area, but I think we're still on a bearish trend, which means that we can even go down to, as I said, under 7k. Alright, moving on. So what I've been doing from that recent bounce, there's currently 10% gains on some of the altcoins, so example for Omisigo. So what I'm thinking is to set a Fibonacci order, or Fibonacci retracement up here, and I could even catch it to 100k sat, 120k sat. So let's see how it play out. I think it will come down eventually as everything goes. In altcoins, they get 10% gains in one day because Bitcoin just gained as well, so they are effectively go with the wave as well. When Bitcoin goes up, sometimes they go up most of the time. So with this trend, we expect them to go down again, because when Bitcoin goes up, altcoins goes down as well. It's just part of the game, guys. So when Bitcoin crash heavily basically, and it stopped, and some people, some whales set the order, it will pick it up, and eventually all the altcoins will get picked up as well with that gains. And that's the best time to basically collect some gains in altcoins like this, in this scenario, because it will eventually go down as well. And as we all know that Bitcoin is on a bearish trend, so don't be fooled that it will go to another cycle where we had here in December. So people are much more conservative at the moment, and we'll wait for another cycle. Let's see if all these tech nerds break through and eventually solve the scalability issues and all other jazz surrounding blockchain. So yeah, until then, we can just do what we can do and optimize our position by doing some minimal trades and hunting those 10% gains each day. So basically, there's Omisigo and NEM as well. As you can see here, this is what I'm telling you guys about. So let's just say you woke up and you're around this area, and you set the Fibonacci, a 10% gains right there. Let's go on 1 hour. I think 1 hour would be better. Just one day, it's not accurate enough. So as you can see here, so let's fix it. So that's when Bitcoin during the last hours, having that crashing moment, and it kind of stopped there on 7,400, and then it retraced back. So it affected this altcoin as well. So as you can see here, and I think you can even catch it around this mark or 50%. So that's up to you guys. So as you can see here, I haven't put an order yet, but I will after this video. And yeah, so moving on, we got VeChain as well. So VeChain, I actually missed the order at 38k. It didn't get it, and it went up to 46k. And this on a one-day chart. I'm still bearish about this thing. I'm hopefully trying to catch it back to 38k. So that'll be cool, to increase more position in VeChain. And also Nano. So Nano, I've been doing trading as well with Nano, and as you can see here, a lot of people set the order at around, you know, just shy of the 50% mark, and it went up, and I think it's gonna go down to 38.2% retracement. So I want to be surprised. We're still on a bearish trend, and as you can see here, and yeah, so it's pretty great to maximize your Nano as well if you have some. Moving on to some latest news. Okay guys, apparently US state exempts cryptocurrencies from property taxes. So I think this is specifically for Wyoming, I don't know how to say that, apparently trying to lure energy hungry Bitcoin miners to his state. Representative Lindum added that the state has a lot of excess electricity, so I think they're trying to attract Bitcoin miners to go into the state, and since they're actually exempting the property taxes, so they're attracting more cryptocurrency holders and investors into the state, and basically to use their power supply to mine. That's a pretty good move for the state. And so some good news right there. Okay guys, so be careful guys in trading, and you know, each 10% counts basically. So if you gain some, that's great. Yeah, I hope you like this episode guys, and you know, just to increase the bags. That's it for me guys. Peace.